Hello everyone, my name is Bhavishit Raj. I am going to present PPT on Transpolymer, transform-based language model for polymer property prediction, which predicts polymer properties more efficiently than the traditional methods. Understanding of base paper, applying NLP to the material sciences. There is two key concepts. One is key idea and another one is a problem solved. When it comes to key idea, Transpolymer applies its transformer architect to understand polymer chemical sequences, where NLP stands for natural language processing, which interrupts between the computer language and the human language. When it comes to the problem solved, traditional polymer property prediction requires costly experiments and simulations, which time-taking process where our transformer automate this by using AI. Problem definition, which aims to solve predicting properties of polymers like conductivity, band gap, and refractive index, etc., and quickly and accurately by reducing the need of costly experiments. The main aim to solve by the transformer, and it is important to accelerate polymer design for use in the batteries, solar cells, and flexible electronics. When it comes to the scope of the project, there is two aspects. One is in scope and another one is a out of the scope. When it comes to the in scope, implementing a simplified transformer like model using the pre-trained transformers for polymer sequence property prediction, evaluating matrices like RMS and R square, and building visualizations. When it comes to the out of the scope, where the large scale of data generation, full scale training on the millions of the polymer samples of GNU intensively experiment, which means can be used in real world lab testing of polymers and synthesis. When it comes to the proposed solution, we are developing a mini transpolymer pipeline which has three major steps. One is the tokenized sequences, and second one is the feature extraction. Third one is the property prediction, where the tokenized sequences which take the molecule or polymer as the input and which sends to the next further stages. When it comes to the second stage, feature extraction, use a transformer encoder for the feature extraction where it pre-trained with the MLM. When it comes to the third stage, which is property prediction, add an MLP rejection head to the predict properties like conductivity and bandgap, which predict these conductivity and bandgap properties. Here is our basic artistic diagram where it consists of three tiers, where it is front end and back end and the model type, where HTML, CSS, React.js are used for the front end, and for the back end we have used request API management, which process the data as cleaning, encoding, and normalization. Then after it, advanced neural network, which predicts the polymer characteristics like strength, durability, and the flexibility. Where it comes to the input, the polymer is taken as an input by the tokenizer, then it sends to the further steps by the tokenizer. Here we are used MongoDB for the storage purpose as a database. The output of the our transpolymer is predicting the numerical property values. Here results and insights from the paper. Transformer achieves state of art performance. Here our transpolymer achieves 7.7 more RMSs, which is mean square error, lower RMS, which describes the better accuracy, and higher R square. So demonstrating for better fit to the data compared to the previous models. Here, quick recap of our project, where the transformer include with the chemical tokenizer, which can result of the accurate polymer prediction, where the transpolymer uses a transformer model to predict polymer properties more efficient than the traditional models. These project bridges material sciences and AI using natural language modeling techniques, which enables faster data-driven polymer discovery. By the next milestone, we can plan to implement the simplified polymer prototype more efficiently and evaluate these performance as a small polymer datasets.